President Trump again called for billions more in federal support for airline payrolls. That's hours after he halted talks with Democrats for a national stimulus package until after the election. It sent stocks down sharply. Phil LeBeau joins us now with more on the current state of affairs. Phil.
Joe, it's been a wild ride for the airline stocks. If you're an investor in these stocks, you saw yesterday where they dropped between 2.5% and 4.5%. But then you had the president's tweet last night, and voila, most of the losses have been recouped in after hours and before market trading. Remember, the airlines have furloughed more than 32,000 employees, and the airline aid in question would essentially bring those employees back onto the payroll, but it would not lower the average daily cash burn for the airlines. That is completely separate. And for the airlines right now, they've done better than where they were back in April, but they're still losing lots of money every day. American, $36 million a day is the cash burn. The best is Southwest at $17 million a day. Southwest is, however, planning to cut its employee pay by 10%. You heard from Gary Kelly yesterday. You guys were talking with him. He outlined the fact that they will need to make some adjustments unless there is payroll aid extended once again. Then they will not cut payroll by 10%. That's a non-starter, by the way, for the flight attendants at Southwest Airlines. Yesterday, the president of the Southwest Airlines Flight Attendants Union releasing a statement saying, our members are not interested in making concessions to a contract that took decades to obtain. At the end of the day, this all comes down to how long it will take the airlines to see some regrowth in terms of passenger levels. In September, the average passenger level every day was down 68%. And it's not much better than where it was in August, where it was down 71%. So, guys, the question for many investors is, separate from the payroll aid, when do the airlines start to see that break-even point approach, where they're no longer burning through $17 or $25 or $30 million a day? Is it by the end of the year, as many are hoping, or is it more likely in the first quarter because the growth in passengers is just not there right now?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.